Alright, the river fish here, and today we're going to try fishing somewhere new. It is just this little creek here. Just found it driving by. The road is right behind us here. So, give it a look, and we'll see if we can catch anything. Oh, I got a nibble on something. Yeah, what is this? It's kind of far down, so I'm just gonna grab him with the net. Alright, what do we got here? Some sort of a sucker fish. It's actually got really bright colors for one of these kind of nice golden bronze to it. Alright, I'm gonna grab the hook out of him and then I'll put it back. Okay, so I just walked down to the edge here just for an easier release point. There is a ton of noise from the cars driving by up here, but let's see him go out of the net the other way. There we go. Alright, and away it swims. Oh, got something again. Oh, he's right under this little platform I'm on. What is it? Oh, it looks like a little crappie, maybe. Oh, and there he goes. Alright, let's start off with going ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so today our goal was to determine if there was any fish worth catching in here. And it was a definite success. Managed to catch a couple, and it's definitely worth coming back here in the future. After all, it's right on the highway. You just stop by for a minute, passed in. Hopefully next time we'll catch something a little bigger. Thanks for watching.